What is that one conundrum that we all face in life? वो एक सवाल जिसका हमें अगर जवाब मिल जाए, our life will just be better. And why is it that should we be जान और अनजान? I am taking this dialogue, the last bit at least, from this show, and that should explain a lot about how this review is going to go. Hi, I am Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Showtime Season 1 Part 2. जब मैंने पार्ट 1 का रिव्यू किया था, one thing that I remember talking about is that the character of the young journalist who becomes the head of Victory Studios, not a spoiler if you're watching part 2, is that she'll have her this kind of Devil Wears Prada moment where she realizes कि उसके जो principles हैं, they are inherently going to clash with her journey in the industry and of just wanting to keep her position as the head of Victory Studios. We had this kind of very popular hotshot producer Victor, played by Naseeruddin Shah, and he decides to leave his empire of the Victory Studios with someone who is not his heir apparent, which is Raghu Khanna, played by Imran Hashmi. He leaves the studio to a young journalist Mahika, played by Mahima Makwana, who was in Victory Studios' Nazar because she gave a very horrible review for one of their latest projects. Other than these people, we also had a lot of other characters introduced, and that gives you a hint into what Showtime was going for. वो आपको ऐसे inner workings of Bollywood दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. They're trying to show you kind of the inner gossip, the tea if you will, or essentially blind items. The point here being that sure, this is a completely fictional show, but the show realizes where its appeal is coming from, which you would get from the little digs that it takes at itself, the industry, and also the kind of little hints or Easter eggs that you'll see throughout the show. For instance, the superstar in this show, his bungalow is called Jannat. And there is also a nifty little bit about winning national awards in part 2. One of the characters who we get introduced to is Arman, who calls his fans Armanians and is played by Rajiv Khandelwal. In the part 1, this was one of my favorite characters also because of how well the actor plays him. Genuinely, of the entire cast, agar do log hain who are having so much fun with their characters, it is Imran Hashmi as Raghu Khanna and Rajiv Khandelwal as Arman. Both of these characters are not good men, and the one good thing about Showtime is that it's never trying to portray them that way either. It doesn't ever really give any clear redemption arcs to any of these people. Even the redemption arcs feel performative, and I like that little attention to detail that's gone into writing these characters, क्योंकि otherwise जो थोड़े layers और shades हैं इन characters में वो भी हमें देखने को नहीं मिलते. Imran Hashmi essentially, along with Makwana, has to carry this show and he's doing a very good job. Raghu Khanna एक ऐसा character है जिसका primary motivation शायद change ना हो, but in personal life or in the smaller kind of motivations, all of them constantly keep shifting, and that's a very interesting character to play, and Imran Hashmi is having the time of his life with it. Genuinely one of the highlights of this show. Vijay Raz is also in this show as a financier who is doing some very shady but powerful things in part 2 as well. पर अगर आप इस character को उनके कुछ और character के साथ एक lineup में खड़ा कर दो, you will not be able to differentiate them. Mahima Makwana is kind of getting a hold of her character towards the season's end क्योंकि starting में it seemed a little kind of underbaked. There are still parts of her performance that need to be fine-tuned a bit, but like A+ for effort. She's clearly trying, that is evident, but since this is a character who is very crucial, इनको almost आधा शो का आर्क अपने कंधे पे उठाना है, this does feel a little bit lackluster. Two of the other stakeholders in this story are Yasmin, played by Mouni Roy, who is a struggling model trying to find her big break, and also Shriya Saran's character Mandira, who plays a female actor who's kind of gone out from the industry but is hoping for a comeback. I'd kind of enjoyed that arc where the two characters who play actors were kind of pit against each other by the industry, where they had to fight for a very small piece of pie. But वो जो एक arc था वो भी part 2 में थोड़ा सा कहीं घुम हो जाता है. Mouni Roy gets a chance to showcase a bit of her skill in part 2. The way she emotes is fabulous. Genuinely, like ऐसा कहते हैं ना, उनकी आंखें बात करती हैं. But once again, since the character is a bit shallow, जो emotional moments हैं उनका जो effect होना चाहिए था वो नहीं आ पाता है. The one thing about Showtime is there's a lot of promise. It's very bingeable, it's campy, it's over the top, it's all the glitz and glamour and everything is working for the show. And there are parts where you're still like, yes, I'm still hoping for more. I'm engaged with this show. But problem ये है कि जो show का promise है, in places the show itself is not being able to understand that or kind of elevate itself. So the premise is interesting और आप invest भी हो जाते हो, पर आपको इसमें कोई return on investment ज़्यादा मिलता नहीं है. It has a lot of setup, doesn't have enough of a payback. It borrows from real life, that is very much evident, but it's still somehow trying to exist in a bubble that's outside of real life, which is a little jarring. It's a little confusing. Let me expand. For instance, when we see कि इस show में there are nameless trolls who are trolling female actors for very normal decisions that they're making about their life, this is something we see happen in real life as well. But the show takes this arc and kind of makes it about a conspiracy in its own plot to kind of shift it to that direction. There is still a lot in the show to be interested in. The backstabbing, the twists and turns, the little kind of gossip that you feel like you're getting about the industry. We also get to see how power, both financial and star power, affect the characters in the show. जैसे कि अगर एक मेल एक्टर को पसंद नहीं आ रहा है that the female actor next to him is clearly doing a better job than him, he instantly starts to kind of manipulate people into letting her go from the project. There is a good show in there somewhere, but the entire time, even as you're trying to binge this show, there's a voice in the back of your head saying कि यहाँ और भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता था और वो missing है. That is why my rating for Showtime Season 1 Part 2 and essentially Showtime Season 1, I guess, is 2.5 stars out of 5.